Hello friends, how to care plants during rain. Check for any pest attack. Cotton, bollworm, tobacco whitefly, two-spotted spider mate, diamond black moth, taro caterpillar, red flower beetle, green peach aphid. These are the insect attack in the plants. To avoid insect attack to your plants, spray neem oil with dishwash. 5 ml neem oil, 5 ml dishwash, 1 liter of water and spray to the affected area. You protect the plants from insect during rainy season. Check the drainage hole. Check the stagnation of water in your garden. Thank you.